Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up as we take a thrilling ride into the world of luxury performance sedans. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lexus IS 500F Sport, a car that doesn't just turn heads, it spins them right around. From the moment you lay eyes on the IS 500F Sport, its aggressive styling commands attention. Sharp lines, a bold spindle grille, and muscular fenders give it a stance that's both elegant and intimidating. It's a design that whispers luxury but roars performance. Under the hood lies a beast, a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a heart-pounding 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. This power plant propels the IS 500 from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds, making every green light feel like a starting line. The 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters ensures that you're always in the right gear, whether you're cruising the highway or carving through mountain roads. But performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The IS 500F Sport features a meticulously tuned suspension and precise steering that make it a joy to drive. Whether you're navigating tight corners or enjoying a leisurely drive, the car responds with agility and confidence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury. High-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a driver-focused cockpit create an environment where every detail is designed with the driver in mind. The 10.3-inch infotainment system offers seamless navigation, while the suite of safety features ensures peace of mind on every journey. Performance-focused features like sports seats, a performance steering wheel, and a head-up display enhance the driving experience, keeping you connected to the road and your vehicle. It's a blend of technology and craftsmanship that elevates every drive. Now, let's talk value. The IS 500F Sport sits in a premium segment, with prices starting at $50,420 and going up to $63,920 for fully loaded models. When compared to competitors like the BMW M3 and the Mercedes-AMG C43, the IS 500 offers a compelling package of performance, luxury, and reliability. The BMW M3, for instance, offers impressive performance, but comes with a higher price tag and a reputation for costly maintenance. The Mercedes-AMG C43 delivers luxury and performance, but lacks the visceral thrill of a naturally aspirated V8. In contrast, the IS 500F Sport offers a unique combination of power, luxury, and value that's hard to beat. So is the 2025 Lexus IS 500F Sport worth the investment? If you're seeking a luxury sedan that delivers exhilarating performance, refined comfort, and a distinctive design, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a car that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus IS 500F Sport stands out in a crowded field of luxury performance sedans. With its powerful V8 engine, luxurious interior, and competitive pricing, it offers a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the IS 500F Sport is a vehicle that delivers on all fronts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Lexus IS 500F Sport. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.